Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can count coins for beginners. So if this does help you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's get into it. So I have some coins right here, and we're going to start counting these coins. So the first thing you want to do is you want to separate them by the same coin. So what I mean by that is, if you can see, this is a 2 Rand coin. Okay, you want to put all the 2 Rand coins together. Okay, this is a 5 Rand coin, so we're going to put the 5s with the 5s and the 2s with the 2s and the 1s with the 1s. Okay, and then it's going to make it way easier to count. Okay, so those are these. This is a, if you can see this, a 1. So that's a 1, that's a 2, and this is a 2, and that's a 2. So these ones, that's a 20 cent. Okay, 20 cent, and these are 10 cents. So we'll count the smallest change first. Okay, so what I like to do now is start from the highest coin number amount and work our way towards the cents. So we can see we have these 5. Okay, you can use a calculator for this if you have a lot of coins, but in this case it's a small amount, so we can just use our head. Okay, so this is 5, 10, 15. So you might want to write that down or remember it. Okay, this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So then I move that to the center, and I like to keep them in batches of 10. So that's 15, that's 10, that's 25. This is 2, 4, 6, 8, 25. This would be a 1. 25. So I'm going to put that there. That's 9. So what we basically need to now do is go onto a calculator. Okay, if you're not really sure. So you can go 25. You can go 25 plus 9. There will be 34 rands that we have so far. Then you just need to count these cents right here: 20, 30, 40. So in this case, for this counting session, we have, okay, so it's 25 plus 9 plus 0.40. Then we have 34 Rand 40, and that's the basic process you can use to count any amount of coins, but the calculator does help you out if you do get stuck. So if this did help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video.